Okay, today I want to show you how to replace the gas struts on a Werner attic ladder. This is what the gas struts look like when you get them out of the box. It'll have this bar on each side that keeps it compressed. This is what the bar looks like. They'll send you 2 of these extra bars to get the old struts off the ladder. And this is what it looks like when it's pushed all the way out. And if I took the bars off this one would be all the way out and you wouldn't be able to get it back in. You'll see that this one's no good anymore, and you can just easily push it down, and that force that pushes it out is what keeps the ladder pulled up all the way. Okay, here's the end of the strut hooked into the ladder. It has a little E clip or C clip that you have to remove on both ends, and then you're going to have to put those bars on this nub on each end, the other end being down here. Put the bar on there to control the piston being pushed out this way, and the only way you can do it is to get the ladder all the way up. When you get the ladder up, this will be up in position to where you can reach the back side over here, and then you control the length of it by pushing the ladder back down, and it'll control how far this is out, and you can match up those 2 nubs and take it off once you have the bars on each side. Then you can repeat the process by putting the new one on. You'll have the bars already on it. You'll match up the this point and this other point by moving the ladder open and closed, and once you get the distance right, you'll be able to slip on the new strut, and by putting a little bit of pressure on it, pushing it back in, you'll be able to take those little bars off each side and then put the retaining clips back on.